Hey guys, I guess you are just ready for the next phase. You have done an awesome job till now. You have already crossed the first three phases of Kinderspark and you are just left with few more weeks. And that's it. That's when you are getting to meet engineers, innovators and showcase what you have done, how amazing work you have done. So now we are just waiting for the next phase, which is evolution. Once the evolution is done, you will be going to exhibition mode, right? So here we are. We are in the phase for the evolution where you are going to take your ideas into something that we can actually see and feel. So that's a prototype. And you will be doing this with the help of your coaches. Okay. So what's there in evolution? The evolution phase essentially has three parts. Okay. The first part is the level 1 prototype, which explains your idea very easily. Okay, I will go in details of this level 1 prototype, but just to give you an idea, it can be as simple as a sketch, a 3D model made out of thermocol, made up of wood, made up of anything that's available around in your house. This is something that we discussed in details in yesterday's call also, right? Part 2 is the making of the level 2 prototype, which comes with a little bit of explanation, a little bit more of explanation. So there can be some kind of a video format for non-technical solutions where you probably enact or you collect customer feedback and put it in a video. Up to you how you want to do it. But for the solutions which are technical in nature, which has some kind of technology involved in it, partial part of your prototype can be made into a working model. Now, how will you do it? You can discuss that with your coach. And if your team requires some technical mentors, we will be able to provide you with that as well. The part 3 of this phase, which is a evaluation phase, is essentially be ready for the pitching, right? You have come up with an idea, you have made the prototype, now you have to pitch. And in exhibition, that's what exactly you will be doing. Okay, so till 8th of August, which is your deadline. So 2 weeks from now we are going into the 2 week mode. So 2 weeks from now, when you are going to submit your next activity, this is what it will be. So level 1 prototype is what you are going to submit. Okay, so level 1 prototype has to be a small sketch where you just have dumped how it looks like. Part 2 of that level 1 prototype has to be a 3D model. That 3D model can be made out of thermocol, Play-Doh, paper, wood, any discarded material available around. You can do anything. And then maximum 3 minute, in a maximum 3 minute video, you have to just capture an explanation of your model and sketch. Okay, so that's it guys. This is what we require so that you clearly explain. Take the help of your coach to decide what you are going to put. Okay, and then you can go ahead and make it. This is the level 1 prototype and the deadline for submission of this is 8th of August. Now you may ask me, which idea should I be prototyping? Right now you may have 10 ideas or something around 6 to 10 ideas that you may have. You have to choose one among this. Okay, listen carefully. You have to choose just one among this. Okay, the one that is the best one, that is you believe is going to be the best solution for the problem statement given to you. Discuss with your coach and then decide which one of these solutions are you going to prototype. Okay, so from your team, it may be a 4-member team, it may be a 3-member team, 2-member team, whatever be it, you have to just make one single prototype. Okay, so in one single prototype means one sketch, one 3D model and one video. So these three things from your end should be reaching us by the 8th of August. And that's 3-minute video, maximum 3-minute video has to have the explanation what is there in your sketch and the 3D model that you have come up with. So just to give you an idea that how in general a 3D model looks like, see, this is what is there in front of you. This is what I was talking about. There was a metro rail, somebody made this. In fact, few of your coaches has actually come up with this. Okay, this is a metro rail and this is how the metro rail setup looks like. You can see this is a kind of a thermocol. These all things are thermocol. This is straw that has been used to make it look like the high tension poles. And then there is the cover of the metro rail is a paper, right? Here also you see the same thing has been done. You can see the standees been made with toothpicks. So all these things are very much easily available around us. And you can see here a tractor. It's a play tractor that was, a toy tractor that was available. Some small human beings somewhere, somebody has found out and they have planted all those things. So you can do amazing stuff using anything that is available around you. Okay, so this is what we are expecting as a 3D model from your end. Not essentially absolutely like this. You can make it your way, but it has to be something around this. Now this all thing is supposed to come to us by 8th of August. How you do, you may ask me, how do we actually send this model? You are not going to send the model at all. You can just take a good video of how it looks like. You can give us multiple pictures of from different directions of your 3D model so that we understand how it looks like. And remember, it's important that you divide the whole work among your team, so everybody should be involved in doing something or the other. Okay, so if somebody is making the sketch, somebody has started working on this model, and one or two people over the Skype or WebEx, wherever you use, they give you ideas in how to make this model. All these things you should be doing. So do a teamwork. Should not load it onto one guy and that person is doing it. You should do it as a team. Remember, the team is the one finally who is going to present it in front of the audience on during the time of the exhibition, right? Now, while you are doing this, 8th of August is the submission of this, but you may not have enough time to make the working prototype. So in parallel, while you are doing this, try to finish this work as early as possible, and then, or parallelly you can do is start working on how you make the working prototype. For this, discuss with your coach to decide what part of your prototype you are actually going to make working. This I am talking about the technology solutions. If there is completely a technology solution, if you need to make a mechanical model of, if you need to make a say an app kind of stuff, start making it and talk to your coach. And if your team requires some kind of technical mentorship also, we will provide that mentor who can help in building it for you. Okay, so that's how we will manage this second activity of this phase. Should be reaching us by 15th of August. So by 15th of August, you should be able to show us the partial working model of your big prototype. Whatever prototype you are supposed to come up with, a part of it you should be able to show us by 15th of August. So that's it. I think this is good enough. Even this video will be going to your coaches also, so they will also know exactly what it was supposed to do. So don't worry, we are all there with you. I know there are a lot of questions that's going on in your mind, which software to use, what simulation to be done. All this your coach should be able to help you out. In case you need technical support also, we will be able to provide you. So don't worry, just enjoy the journey, and at the end you will be a brilliant Avenger innovator, right? All the best, guys.